Let me tell you something most English learners never hear clearly. You already know far more English than you think. And that's exactly why struggling to speak feels so frustrating. Tonight, I want to share very honestly with you. If studying more was the solution, you would already be fluent. Am I right or am I right? I'm George Alex. I've been a fluency coach for over 35 years. And tomorrow I'm hosting a free live class where I'll show you how to activate the English that you already know and finally start using it with confidence. Yes, it's possible. Let me explain why this matters using three little simple points. Number one, you know a lot more English than you realize. Most adults underestimate themselves because they compare their English to perfection, to native speakers, to BBC, to news on TV. And they want to really jump an Olympic high standard. But real life English does not require so much. There's a concept called Globish. Tomorrow night I'm going to show what it means. It's English used by millions of non-native speakers worldwide. It uses about 1,500 to 1,000 words. Simple grammar, short sentences, and guess what? Business gets done. I've been teaching mostly international students for international environment, and they do their business effectively. Meetings happen, deals are signed, people communicate even if they make mistakes, not because their English is perfect, but because it's active. If you can say things like, I think this is a problem, or we need more time, or let's try another option. You already have usable English that you can do business with. The issue is not how much you know, it's whether you can access it under pressure. Knowing English is not the same as using English. Number two, what really stops you is not lack of knowledge. It's your own limiting beliefs. I'm not Tony Robbins here, but beliefs like, I need to be more accurate. I'm not good at languages. I'll speak when I'm really ready and know the grammar. These beliefs create pressure, pressure that you inflict on yourself, and pressure blocks access. Blocked access feels like forgetting. English is a tool, not a test of intelligence. You can speak English. You are not proving how smart you are. You're just using it to communicate and to get the job done. Tomorrow in the free class, I will show you how to replace these beliefs with ones that support fluency instead of sabotaging it. Fluency grows when fear drops, not when rules increase. And number three, inactive skills and dormant rules block your speech and your fluent communication. You may know grammar rules perfectly. You may do tests perfectly. But if they stay passive, they don't help you speak. Your brain needs activation, not explanation. Speaking is a skill. It's like driving, like playing an instrument. You don't practice it regularly and it's gone, it's sleeping, it's dormant, but it doesn't come out when you need it. Yes, you can activate it. Yes, you can brush it up. But many people say, I know this word, I know this, and they cannot really access it and use it. This is inactivity. The good news is this: inactive skills can be quickly reactivated, safely reactivated. You just need the right environment. That's exactly what we'll work on in the free live class tomorrow. I will explain and I will give you practical tips. No grammar overload, no perfection, no embarrassment, just clear explanations and practical tips how to activate what you already know. Join the free fluency activation class tomorrow. It's speaking focused, it's fear breaking focused. confidence before perfection. For 60 minutes, you will get clarity, direction, and practical tips, and you will be able to ask all of your questions that are bothering you. If you understand English quite enough to understand this video, but struggle to use it when it matters, join this class. It will definitely help you. The link to register is right here in my bio. You don't need more English. You need access to the English that you already know. You don't need perfection. You need activation. Join us tomorrow. Let's turn what you already know into real spoken English. I'd really love to see you there and help you. See you